esteemed customers of original equipment manufacturers, overseas customers, independent power producers, independent service providers, AMC customers, resellers, partners, friends, and mentors to our 25th year ceremony and our rebranding for regenerative our values. Thank you.
Now I invite our Managing Director, Mr. Murugesan, to explain the importance of this event.
Happy evening to all. Our customers, partners, friends, relatives. I recognize everyone. Presence of our 25th year celebration. We transformed our color, tagline, but extended our values. Expanded our vision, mission with same presentation, professionalism and customer care. We started Newtech 25 years back with 4 employees in 300 square feet rental sheds. Every 5 years, we are expanding our focus and vision along with industry growth. By 2000, we acquire knowledge from OEMs to document everything towards systemizing, practicing QMS, and formed a design team. We moved to 5,000 square feet own building with CNC machining facility, strength of 25 employees. By 2005, we focused on acquiring knowledge and developed critical imported parts with expanding our facility to 10,000 square feet with 40 employees. By 2010, we made JV with a European partner to develop vibration isolators to cater all OEMs with 15,000 square feet facility with 50 employees. By 2015, we started export to Europe, USA with the help of our overseas partners and acquire knowledge on shipment, foreign money transactions by continuously expanding our documenting knowledge, introducing the ERP based activities. By 2020, we started new factory building of 30,000 square feet exclusive for import substitution parts, focusing on global customers, global OEMs, and serve to Indian wind industry with employee strength of 95. We associate with IIT to do research activity on so many sensors. We developed high-speed coupling for 2 megawatt for INOX with the joint venture with IIT. We have a dream of 100 crores with 300 employees by getting more global orders with a digital experience of nowadays. We are doing our ESR activity through our Lions Club activities, and we are getting a more knowledge, management knowledge through the participation of our company and myself in the Young Entrepreneurs School, developing day by day. Thank you everybody for come to this wonderful system. Thank you. Our vision to become a preferred global leader and one roof source for green energy parts to support and energize the globe in environmental friendly way. Our values, novel ideas and solutions, ultimate customer support, technology adaptability, environmental responsibility, emitter management, holistic approach in energy, wide knowledge in wind parts, integrity among employees, assured learning, definite quality. Our vision, manufacturing top-notch parts to the green energy customer as per their needs with support of quality vendors and passionate and innovate and highly positive workforce.
Significant tool in our website, the WinParts Navigator, is connected to our backend ERP, cloud-based ERP, and visitors can directly access and then check the parts availability in our system. For example, if you click check any brand name or the model number, the parts available in our system will be displayed. Parts available in a system will be displayed, and then if you want any further information about any particular product, if you click on that product, further information will be provided, including the stock available in our premises, and our locations will also be displayed. This is a tool which provides the customers or the visitors with the entire information they require. And this is the objective of our rebranding exercise. We are working further to enhance your experience in using this product, and we look forward to your feedback. Our endeavor to empower our customers and visitors will continue in our social media pages like LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube to provide more information to our customers. We request you to visit our pages and leave your feedback for further improvement in our systems and processes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Logo should say some prominent letter. N has more meaning. That when you say novel, it will start with N. When you say noble, it will say it will start from down and go to upward end. So we have to be that. Inside the logo, we have designed brakes, housing and casing, and hydraulics, gears and drives, shafts, bellows and covers, electrical and electronics, electrical and hydraulic rotating joints, and FRP product. So we have put all together, and then the green is the windmill is meant to be a green energy. So that we have designed the color as a green, and then it's a very peculiar and very easy to attract green, which is lemon green. So lemon green is a grass color, so that you easily find the color. And why we put the propeller as white means we are very transparent. The company is very transparent, so that we wanted to show that color. And then inside there is an yellow. Yellow denotes for creativity and energy. So energy and creativity inside the company, so that we have designed it. And then the new tech is very prominent letters has been given in the logo. And then yours winfully is our new tagline. Yours winfully. In Tamil, we used to say "Kaatraga ungaludan." The whole the company's ideology to work with global wind energy and make it a green world, so that the wind we are working with wind. So we are working with wind and we are working for wind. So that the name has been the tagline has been designed as "Yours winfully." This is the story behind it.
Sarath Mehta, CEO of Exim Engineering, who is our partner in USA more than a decade. I welcome Sarath ji.
Newton team, first of all, congratulations, and being in the industry and supporting the entire renewable industry, especially the wind, for past 25 years. And I wish Mr. Murugesan to achieve much more and to be part of the team for the Golden Jubilee also. And I wish, and the way he has handled the last 95, you look at it, 25 years. So the way the wind industry has behaved like, and he has still, because of his passion, I say that he has still continuing with the passion in in the industry, because most of us, even in the employment, we have gone out and then came back to the industry whenever there is a recession happening in the industry. But I wish, I fully congratulate Mr. Murugesh to be in the industry since 95, whatever is the ups and downs, he was with the industry. And now with the new launch, it's great to see that you are also moving towards the e-commerce. Instead of people approaching you or your salespeople to approach your salespeople and to get the understanding what is available and what not. And it is it is as good as online. It is live every time, every day, in and out, and we know what is the new product development by new tech, and we can easily choose from your website itself. So that is a great thing, and I wish more success. And thank you once again for inviting me as chief guest.
Good evening, dear all fraternity. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but it is the parent of all the virtues. On behalf of Newtech Industrial Parks Private Limited, I'm here to thank all the guests, fraternity, partners, and well-wishers who have gathered here amidst us through this Zoom app. We are grateful on our behalf of our company. We extend a very grateful thanks to both eminent chief guests for gracing this wonderful, important event of our 25th anniversary and sharing with us the views and wishes to us today. Thank you, dear sirs, for accepting our invite. With the tight personal schedules, everyone had joined us today to share the joy and happiness through this function and attended this event as a successful one. So a big thankful to you who have attended this function. We may like to express our sincere thanks to all the participants of this function who have made a colorful presence amidst us, and also our managing director, directors of the company, and our employees who are also a reason for achieving 25th year of completion and successful journey in this world. Once again, we are grateful to all the guests and our employees for who have accepted our invites, and also our friends and relatives and all who have gathered here and made this event as a colorful event to be a successful one. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all for your presence.